So here we are at Watership Down. Or at least we assume this hill is Watership Down. There's a bonfire over there. My favourite thing about this so far has to be the fact that there's some diggers and some flashing orange lights on the top of it. Literally what Richard Adams wrote his book about was man destroying animals' habitat, and there it is on Watership Down itself. So that's it's a bit of a shame, but otherwise it's a nice day. We've just picked some sloes. All the nice juicy ones from the front are gone because I've picked them all. And yeah, we'll film again when we get to the top, or if we find anything exciting. So the Richard Adams plaque is up there, but there's a hare running in the woods. I don't know if this camera you'll be able to catch it because he's very well camouflaged, but there's a massive hare. So we didn't see any rabbits earlier, but Mr. Bear's driven me up as far as we can go, up Watership Down, and we actually saw the trees on the top, even if we couldn't walk there thanks to all the diggers. Well, good morning. Here we are in old Burghclere, and this is where we're staying, in this lovely little cottage, and that door is our way in. It's very, very cosy inside, it's lovely. But it's poured with rain this morning, but now it's quite nice. So whilst Cameron's getting ready to go out, I thought I'd just do a little bit of filming of the gardens. Mostly because I didn't do as much filming yesterday as I was planning on doing, because Watership Down didn't quite go as we thought it would, on the basis of, well, I think we said at the bottom there were a lot of diggers. And yep, we got to the top, we followed the walk, we basically did half the walk, got to the top, and they were doing building work on where they train racehorses, which meant the path you're supposed to follow to go round to the copse of trees and the Richard Adams plaque, we couldn't get to it. And there was no other way to go, to walk. We tried to drive there, did see a hare and a red kite, but yeah, unfortunately it's going to have to be a trip for another day. But anyway, where we are is beautiful, and yeah. It's not very green.
No, he's quite red.
But he's very cute. Oh, I thought from a distance that might have been a scarlet wax cap or an interesting type of mushroom. It's just some orange peel. It just proves to show, guys, disappointment is round every single corner. But anyway, here we are at Donnington Castle. Some pigeons have made a nest up there. And it's stopped raining. Yay! There's Cameron admiring the entrance, I guess. Wow, my voice is boring. Here we are.
Remarkable knowing how short people are going back there. It's the size of that door.
That is a very small door. Maybe they were Oompa Loompas. We have found some sheep on our way walking to Highclere Castle, which, according to all the signs, was now closed to the public, despite the fact that I printed off a map from their official website that said there are definitely 3 walks that are open all year round, one of which you walk through the main entrance to get to, which, as Cameron pointed out, is a very British thing to do. So we persisted, and then we saw it was a public right-of-way, so here we are, walking in Highclere Castle grounds. Well, the road, and the castle is over there somewhere. We did see the top of it a minute ago, and I got so excited I nearly weed myself. It's the most excited I've been about anything all year. Anyway, sheep, lovely trees, autumn, other keywords. Yes, it does. Steady the bus. I'm good. On here? Oh. So just before we leave, I thought I'd take a little video of our cute little room where we've been staying. And I love this bathroom. A toilet! How exciting. But yes, it's very sort of cosy. And it even has a stag on the wall. But yes, I could happily live here. Because it's lovely and cosy. But now we're back to our cold house. But Mrs. Moggy's waiting, and the bunnies. So I'll just leave you with some condensation.